Arteries are the blood vessels that transport oxygenated blood from the heart to the rest of the body. As you know, this is a requirement for survival. With that said, sometimes our diet and lifestyle choices can cause our arteries to become clogged, which increases the likelihood of a heart attack or stroke. This is a term referred to as atherosclerosis, and it often goes unnoticed until symptoms such as chest pain start to arise. There are definitely some foods that many of us eat that can increase the likelihood of a blockage. With that said, there are also certain foods that work to cleanse the arteries so that blood can flow more freely. And one herb in particular that we need to mention is rosemary. So, if you're ready, let's get into it. Rosemary is a spice that is native to the Mediterranean region and is touted for many different health benefits. When it comes to the cardiovascular system, rosemary has actually been shown to lower blood sugar levels. Its compounds work to increase the absorption of glucose into your muscle cells, which decreases the amount in your blood. That can be beneficial for those with type 2 diabetes and other risk factors of heart disease. Not to mention, a study found that rosemary essential oil may potentially be effective in increasing circulation, although more research is needed in this area. With that said, if you want to keep your circulatory system functioning at an optimal level, there are also certain foods that we should avoid. As a general rule of thumb, we should try to avoid foods that are high in cholesterol because it combines with fat, calcium, and other substances in the blood to form plaque, which can cause blockages in the arteries. Also, try to avoid foods that are high in saturated fat and trans fat because they are culprits when it comes to plaque buildup in the arteries as well. Trust me, I get it. This can be unfortunate at times because many of the tasty foods that we enjoy contain these properties that are bad for the cardiovascular system. However, when it comes to improving our overall health, I think it's a sacrifice that we have to make, especially when we can enjoy certain superfoods and spices such as rosemary. With that said, just a quick reminder, we are not doctors. This video is for informational purposes only. Real quick guys, do me a huge favor and hit the like button. It really helps support the channel and I greatly appreciate it. And while you're down there, go ahead and click the subscribe button as well because we have a ton of other videos on our channel that I think you will enjoy. Just a quick reminder, we are not doctors. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. And if you want to dive deeper and learn more about this topic, you can go to respiratorytherapyzone.com where we have a ton of free study guides, practice questions, and other helpful resources. I'll drop links to everything you need right below this video down in the description. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. Have a blessed day, and as always, breathe easy, my friend.